Welcome to Restofit. Confused about the bed size you need? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Step 1. Grab a standard measuring tape. Step 2. Measure the inner cavity of the bed frame to get an accurate measurement. Most people make the mistake of measuring the outer edges. As you can see, that's not the correct measurement, as it includes the frame itself. We're going to show you the right way to do it. Measure only the highlighted area where the mattress will actually fit, the inner cavity of the bed. Do not include the bed frame. Once you have your mattress measurements, head to our website, select your favorite mattress, and choose the dimensions that match. It's that simple. Thank you for watching, and happy sleeping with Restofit.